Hey you guys, Jamie O'Banion here, CEO and founder of BeautyBio, and I'm gonna be responding today to one of my most frequently asked questions, which is, where do I start? What are like the critical things that I need on my skin? And it can be so overwhelming, especially in skincare. There's so many different ingredients and technologies. Where do you begin? So let's break it down to just a few key ingredients. Obviously, SPF is so important. Look for zinc oxide and titanium dioxide for protection. But let's talk about being proactive. What are the key ingredients we should be putting on our skin to really help our skin appear more youthful? Number one, vitamin C every single day. Vitamin C is such an important and incredible ingredient. Every morning I apply our daily vitamin C serum. I recommend using vitamin A. Vitamin A. Another name for vitamin A is retinol. Your retinol is gonna give your skin that beautiful luster, that glow to it. And the last piece, so vitamin C during the day, vitamin A at night, I recommend using Glow Pro at least 3 times a week. Think of it like a vertical exfoliation process, and then daily using vitamin C in the morning and vitamin A at night.